Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Flavors by Alessandra College Edition, where we are making college-proof, quick, tasty, and healthy meals. So today, we are going to be making breakfast. My favorite breakfast is the breakfast sandwich. Now, what is the breakfast sandwich, you may ask? It's eggs, it's cheese, it's jelly, it's spinach, it's bread, it's deliciousness. And it's quick and easy and ready for on the go. All right, so let's just jump right into it. I got class in an hour and I can't be late again. All right, guys, this is what we're working with today. As always, a list of ingredients can be found in the description below. What I love about this dish is that you can have all the components going at the same time, so everything gets done quicker and it comes together just at the right time. So let's get the pan on and put a little bit of olive oil in there so that starts getting super hot. That's the key to making the perfect over easy egg, is having a super hot pan and letting the heat do the rest of the work. For the bread, I'm using organic sprouted grain bread called Ezekiel bread. It's super healthy, super good for you, and tastes just like regular bread. So let's get this in the toaster. I'm putting it on about between a 3 and a 4. Having it plugged in could help. Now, it looks like our pan is getting nice and toasty, which is perfect for our egg. 1 large egg. Love that little sizzle. I'm gonna touch this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt, little pepper. And I'm gonna get my cheese ready to go right on top. I'm using Trader Joe's sliced yogurt culture cheese. I love this one. It has no lactose in it, so it will make sure that you're leaving the day without an upset stomach, which I know lactose can do to some of you. Now we're gonna very carefully flip our egg over, now that we can see that it's kind of firm and crusted on the backside. And we're gonna turn our heat off. Completely off. Look at that. The toast is out of the toaster. Next, we're gonna put the slice of cheese right over it and cover the pan and remove it away from the heat. So now the cheese will melt while the egg cooks on the other side, and it's gonna be perfect. Next thing we have to do is take our toast out of the toaster and spread jam along one side of it. I like the jam because it adds a little bit of sweetness to the dish and gives us that feeling of just having toast with jelly, but you're getting an egg and you're getting cheese and you're getting some greens, so we got it all mixed up into one. I like to make sure that I use jams without high fructose corn syrup, so this is a funky one we have going on right now. It's a raspberry peach champagne jam, although you can use whatever jam your heart desires, and I'm sure it would be delicious. So I'm gonna spread the jam only along one side of the toast. It just gives it the perfect amount of sweetness, I think. And I think our egg is ready to go. Check that out. Nice, melted, and toasty. Look at the bubbling cheese right there. So we're gonna put this egg right on our toast. So now here's the kick. We're adding a little bit of spinach. Your parents will love me for this, and you won't even taste it. It'll get you your greens, and it gets lost with all the other amazing flavors going on in here. So just a few fresh spinach leaves right over the top. Now here's the moment of truth. Let's see if this yolk is just as perfect as I think it came out. You know, it's a little bit more than I would have done it, but honestly, I think that's perfect. It's not messy, it'll stay all together, and I mean, look at that. You see the little bit of jam, the spinach, the egg, the cheese. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so let's dig in. I mean, I'm excited. This is like hitting different right now. I'm getting the jelly, I'm getting the cheesy egg. I'm getting the nice sprouted grain bread, which has a little bit of texture on its own. The fresh spinach, the cheese, the eggs. Ah, yum, 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 yum. This actually came out so good. Like, I made a grilled cheese version of this without the egg, but like the egg just like brought this to like next level.
Yeah, but wait, wasn't that for Lori?
Okay, so I kind of forgot to make my roommate breakfast, and so that means that you guys get a bonus recipe because I'm a nice friend and I'm gonna make her breakfast. One sip of coffee and we'll be on the way. So we're gonna be making a crunchy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now I know Lori's favorite breakfast is a peanut butter and jelly, but I wanna elevate it and give it her a little extra oomph. To make this sandwich, we're gonna be using 2 more pieces of, again, our sprouted grain bread, Ezekiel. So now it's time for the secret ingredient. I'm going to be using a handful of crushed up oatmeal square cinnamon crunchy oat cereal. Now, this is just what I have here in my dorm right now, but you could be using Cinnamon Toast Crunch, shredded wheat, Frosted Flakes, literally any cereal of your choice. Just make sure you crush it up a little by your hand so it gives it a little bit more of a finer texture than these full chunks. It's still getting that crunch component. Our pieces of bread hug. Okay, bring it back up. Ooh. You can hear it. I hear the little crunchies. Oh, do you hear that crunch? You will never want a regular peanut butter and jelly again. And bam. Look at that crunch. Look at that. Okay, Lori, breakfast ready. Let's see what she thinks. Wow! We've got you breakfast already.
Yay! Okay, what is it?
So we have made you a crunchy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let me know what you think.
That is so good. Just the right amount of peanut butter and jelly. What'd you put in it that's so crunchy?
The secret ingredient is cereal.
Oh my god. This is like 11 out of 10. So good.
Come on. I didn't make that up. I didn't tell her to say that.
Can I taste this to go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, bye.
My ducklings off.
Ciao, thank you.
And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. I hope you go home and try these recipes and enjoy them. And if you do, please tag me. Nothing makes me happier than seeing other people enjoy things that I can inspire them to do. Now, if you liked this video, please like the video and subscribe. We're gonna be making these on a weekly basis every Wednesday, so keep an eye out for them. Also, follow me on Instagram. The name's right to my right. Is that my right? My left? What's my left? Okay, it's on my left, your left. Yeah. So follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys next week. Also, if you have any videos that you'd like me to make, recipes or anything you want me to try, please just comment it below and I'll try to do it for you. Off.